Hey everyone, welcome back to We Do Wellness, the channel where we dive into all things health and happiness. Today we're talking about a trend that's creating a big buzz in the health and wellness world: sober curiosity. Let's explore why more and more people are saying no to alcohol and how it's transforming lives. Stick around because this might just inspire you to take your own dry journey. First things first. What is sober curiosity? It's a movement where people consciously choose to reduce or eliminate alcohol from their lives, not because of addiction, but because they want to improve their health, productivity, and mental clarity. It's not about judgment or labels, it's about asking, what would my life look like without alcohol? Unlike traditional sobriety, sober curiosity isn't tied to abstinence for recovery. It's all about exploring the why behind your drinking habits. So, why is this trend gaining momentum? Here are some of the major reasons. Health awareness. People are more informed than ever about the effects of alcohol on their physical and mental health. Mental health benefits. Alcohol can contribute to anxiety and depression, and cutting it out often leads to improved mood and focus. The wellness boom. The global wellness industry is encouraging people to make mindful, health-conscious choices. Social media influence. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are showcasing alcohol-free lifestyles as trendy and aspirational. Here's the exciting part. Choosing to go alcohol-free comes with so many benefits. Let's break them down. Better sleep. Alcohol disrupts your sleep cycles, so skipping it can help you feel more rested. Improved skin. Say goodbye to puffiness and dehydration. Clearer mind. Many people report sharper focus and less brain fog. Weight management, no more empty calories from that nightly glass of wine. Emotional stability. Without alcohol's ups and downs, your mood becomes more consistent. Thousands of people are sharing stories online about how cutting back on alcohol has transformed their energy, confidence, and relationships. Feeling curious? Here are some easy ways to dip your toes into the sober, curious lifestyle. Step 1. Start with a 30-day challenge. Apps like Sober Time can help you track your progress. Step 2. Try non-alcoholic alternatives: mocktails, kombucha, or sparkling water with a twist of lime. Step 3. Be open about your choice. If friends ask why you're skipping the booze, just say, "I'm experimenting with what makes me feel best." Step 4. Focus on activities where alcohol isn't the main event. Think hiking, yoga classes, or book clubs. Let's tackle a few myths about being sober curious. Myth 1. You can't have fun without alcohol. Truth. Fun is about the people and the vibe, not the drink in your hand. Myth 2. It's boring. Truth. It's empowering to remember everything about your night out. Myth 3. Everyone will judge me. Truth. More people are going sober than you realize. It's becoming mainstream. As the sober curious movement grows, it's reshaping how we think about socializing, celebrating, and even relaxing. It's not about giving up, it's about gaining a clearer, healthier perspective on life. Whether you go alcohol-free for a week, a month, or forever, the benefits are yours to enjoy. So, what do you think? Are you curious about trying a sober lifestyle? If you've already started, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it inspiring. Thanks for watching We Do Wellness. See you next time.